Hi guys, how you doing? Another day, another video about Wall Street, baby. Whether this thing is gonna go up or down, that's what we wanna know. It is a meme season, so we are doing meme coins. Actually, we are doing only one coin, but that's the only thing we do. That's the only thing we do. That said, before we start, we gotta say, guys, I'm sorry, but we gotta say it. Not a financial advice, my opinions only, entertainment only. You do your money, I do my money, stuff like that, right? This thing can go up, this can go down, you can lose all your money, you can gain a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money, all of that shebang. Disclaimer, I do own some of this thing over here, so there's that. So I might be more biased towards the upside and towards the downside, but beside that, it's all good, it's all good. It's just technical analysis. On this channel, we do technical analysis only. We don't care about fundamentals. And what kind of fundamentals are there in a meme coin? So there is that. That said, we're gonna look at the chart. We see been looking at the chart for the past 2 days. It's been having some kind of triangle over here. Previously, it broke out of a triangle, created this very nice channel over here that we are in right now. Last night we had a big dump over here towards downside. Right now we're creating W pattern down here on the downside, double bottom pattern on the downside. This looks like it might actually go to continue up here towards the upside. Whether this looks bullish or bearish, that's what we're gonna talk today right now. So let's start over here. So just like we set up here right now, we got this very nice channel. You can see up here we actually smacked into the support level over here on the downside. And right now what we are doing over here right now, we are creating this double double bottom pattern on the chart. Just like over here we created a double top pattern up here at the resistance, down here at the support we are creating this double bottom pattern on the chart. And this is actually very good. Now this pattern up here in the next 54 minutes, if this candle can stay green, we are gonna create a very nice there we go, we just got some kind of buys over here, and that's why change this candle actually already stayed green. This candle already, like on live while I'm recording, this actually changed. I didn't actually see that, doesn't matter. So this looks like this is already confirmed a double bottom pattern. And the reason this are already confirmed, you can see this top over here. Let me zoom in this a little bit nicer so you can see this very nice. Let me turn off the volume as well over here. What you're gonna see here, you see this top up here. Once this candle comes up here and closes above this top up here, we got a higher high on the chart and we got a higher low on the chart. So this is actually very bullish. But this W pattern, this double bottom pattern up here is confirmed once this candle up here crosses above the midline over here, which is actually looks like it's already done that, because you can see up here this small candle up here next to it, it just opened up here on the side. So this already looks like a W pattern up here. The target should be somewhere up here at the top, give or take. This midline up here might act as a resistance while we're going towards the upside over here. But this is a very volatile coin. If it wants to break, I think it's just gonna break in one go all the way through the top. That said, we are still in the channel. Not much has changed since yesterday. We don't have any kind of breakout yet towards the upside or towards the downside over here. So it's all good and dandy. Now just by looking at a chart like this over here, you cannot actually conclude whether we are actually a lot bullish or bearish. You can go to this 1 hourly time frame, you can go to 4 hourly time frame, and it does look very bullish, because you got these lows over here. And they are higher lows, and you got these highs up here, and they are higher highs, and goes towards upside. So this is actually a very bullish move towards the upside. Now rising channels has always more probability to break towards downside than towards upside, unless you are in some kind of bullish trends. These bullish trends often tend to increase in speed towards the upside over here towards the upside, and they do tend to break towards the upside. So you will see bearish patterns in a bullish trends that break bullishly, and you will see bullish patterns in a bearish trends then break bearishly towards the downside. So something, for example, something like rising wedge, rising wedge. You will see a rising wedges in some kind of in bigger downtrends over here. Rising wedges, they will often break towards the downside. But you are having a big long-term uptrend over here, and you get into some kind of rising wedge. These things oftentimes break towards upside. So these are majorly bullish trends once you break towards upside, right? So this channel up here, once this channel breaks towards upside over here, once it breaks towards upside, I think that's when we're gonna see the big move towards upside. I don't think right now everything is in trading range, accumulation zone, call it whatever you want to call it. Wall Street, baby, just recently got listed on a whole bunch of exchanges, and I think right now that people, the whales might be accumulating down at the lows, right, that accumulating. So I think it might actually range a little bit up here over here, you know, in these lows over here before it actually breaks out of the channel. But once it breaks out of the channel, the move is already started and it can go pretty high after that. But the fact that we are that Wall Street baby is on exchanges does you know, tell me that, you know, there might be some kind of accumulation happening, that they're trying to get these you know, these buys over here you know, on the support level before we actually break towards the upside. But this looks very bullish. This looks very bullish. Let me show you something that looks also very bullish, and that's over here on the daily time frame. Look at this chart over here, man. Look at this chart. This chart up here, you know, just is slightly curving towards upside. It looks like it's going parabolic. Even this move up here towards downside, where it came right back down again, it did not break the trend over here. It still continues in, you know, continues in this this trend towards upside. It looks like it's gonna do, you know, it wants to do this move up here. So, you know, this slowly climb up here might actually take a little while, you know, maybe a couple of days, you know, maybe during next week, you know, it explodes towards upside. But until this, you know, curvature up here is broken towards downside, something weird happens. We have actually no reason to believe that, you know, for whatever reason, this actually, you know, should dump towards downside. So right now everything looks nice and dandy, and as long as this, you know, channel, the way I see it, as long as this channel, you know, holds, we are all good and dandy. We're all good and dandy. That's what I'm seeing on the chart. That's it, guys. Meme coin again. It can go up, it can go down, it can go up a lot, it can go down a lot. It is very volatile, high risk, possible to lose all your money. You know, not a financial advice again, just saying that. Guys, enjoy the day. Hope you liked the, you know, look at, you know, what's happening with Wall Street babies. Wall Street baby, it's not babies, just one baby, just one baby. I'll see you around, guys. Bye-bye.